Of the Kisii Nation, it is my great honor to welcome our distinguished guest, President William Samoei Ruto. Today, on Friday marks a significant occasion for us, as we will have the privilege of hosting one of the most influential leaders of our time. We congratulate His Excellency William Ruto on his election as the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya. I also take this opportunity to thank him for including our community in appointments both at the cabinet and technocrat levels. Mr. President, we are humbled by your planned presence and grateful that you have taken your time to visit us. As you may know, Kisii County is a diverse and dynamic region, rich in culture and tradition and home to some of the most industrious and entrepreneurial people in this country. We are proud of our heritage and the contributions we have made to the development of our nation, and we will be honored to have you with us to witness firsthand the progress we have made and the challenges we still face as a county. These challenges, like for any part of the world, are innumerable. However, the global pandemic, COVID-19, the unabating drought, and the Ukraine-Russia war stick out as the players that have disrupted our nation as hitherto known, but we press on. Mr. President, we are aware of your commitment to the development of our county and our country as well. And we are confident that your visit to Kisii County will provide a valuable opportunity to discuss the issues and concerns that affect our people. We are aware of the challenges with healthcare facilities, to a lack of infrastructure and limited access to education. We are also aware of the opportunities that exist in our county, from the vibrant agricultural sector to the growing tourism industry and the potential investment in renewable energy. We believe that your visit to Kisii County will provide stage for meaningful dialogue and collaboration between our county government and the national government as we work together to address these challenges and unlock the full potential of our county. Mr. President, we are also confident that your visit will serve as an inspiration to our people, particularly our youth, who are the future of our county and our nation. Your presence here will be a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and a commitment to serving Kenyans. We have no doubt that your visit will motivate our youth to pursue their dreams and work towards a better future for themselves and our community. To make meaningful gains from the President's visit, the Kisii Nation leadership, from Ekerenyo to Nyamarambe, let us come together and team up in forging a united front. As for my fellow citizens of Nyamira and Kisii counties, please come out in large numbers and welcome your grandson, President William Samoei Ruto. As I conclude, Mr. President, we would like to welcome you to Kisii County and by extension, the Kisii Nation, Kisii and Nyamira. We look forward for your timely arrival that will spur productive and meaningful engagement, which will help us to build a bright future for our county and our nation. And with those remarks, we welcome you, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Korusauti Mugrango, igo tolega igabuna timu ya Kenya Kwanza, Kisii County na Nyamira, abande mbarayiga, etwakirega igamo asogotebya abakenya bonsi, nensengima ngagusi yabeire tayari ko welcome President yaito Mheshimiwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Twabusire nyomba yaito gerabete kero monto gare tayari. Kwa hivyo nigotomoganyete asenchira ya igoro mono como welcome na into ataletera magendero bunali aletira ase chinsemo chinde cha Kenya. Ase igotobate abantu bamintaba gusi buno mwe president itagocha imoma eteta biya itonengiya tokore buna chinka chinde chigokora toba abana bayabe chogete ekera achire arabuna twagweneire na liara to ekende na intwe totwere mate kamurancha mocha sobongeli tukolie juma igakare igalirogoro masimba nyali bali masaba ase omoyego manene wo koretunka bo Mheshimiwa CS Machogu kamurancha mocho kyagiro bibono buyo banene atokorera buna bagusi muyamon
Kakachira. Mimi ni MCA Muticho Ward katika Kisii County. Nami nataka kuomba Wakenya wote ambao wanaotusikiliza na kuambia kwamba hii jamii ya Kisii imekaribisha rais kesho katika ziara yake ya maendeleo na kukuja kukaribishwa kwa waziri wa education Bwana Machogu. tumemkaribisha. Sisi ni watu wenye amani. Watu wote wa Kisii, hatuna maneno ya Azimio na hatuna maneno ya Kenya Kwanza. Zote ni wa Kisii na tunakaribisha rais wetu akuje Kisii atuletee maendeleo. Na tunataka atufanyie more appointments kwa vijana wetu ambao hawana kazi. Serikali iko changa bado, ni miezi 6. Wacha tuwapee muda wafanye kazi. Tunataka wananchi watulie. Hata tukifanya maandamano, bei ya chakula haitashuka chini. Tafadhali ile kitu ningewaomba, mliangalia nyote Kenya, mliona Kisii hakuna maandamano ilifanyika kwa sababu gavana wetu ni mtu wa maendeleo, rais wetu ni mtu wa maendeleo.
Buhari Getoi, I am a teacher by profession and I want to say all the teachers of Kisii County are welcoming our president. We want to say we are prepared, just like the 10 mates in the Bible that had enough fuel. We also have enough fuel, and we are waiting for our president with all regards. We want to tell all the Kenyans that in Kisii we are organized and we are waiting for our president eagerly. We want to urge that anybody who is around Kisii County to show a lot of respect, because our president is a man of organization, a man who works day and night to see that in Kisii we also prosper. With those few remarks, I want to thank each and every one of us. I want to thank him for giving us seats. He has given us chairman in the boards, he has given us the CS, he has given us the CASs, and I want to thank him so much, and I want to welcome him on behalf of the Kenya National Union of Teachers. In this group, we welcome you, our president.